Pause. Between stimulus and response, there is a space. In that space is our power to choose our response. In our response lies our growth and our freedom. Viktor E. Frankl. Can we put a pause on war, an armistice, so we can come up with an absolute peace plan to save ecosystems on Earth? A truce on hunger so we can feed the world? A moratorium on poverty? Yes, I know we can do it with a universal basic income. Pause, baby, pause, so that babies can grow up with an adventurous, beautiful, and cosmic spirit, soaring in starships, planting seeds on Earth-type worlds, a suspension on war, freezing defense budgets around the world, focusing our attention on mitigating climate change to rescue our breathable world, putting our robotic energy into building our colonies on Earth and Mars. Between the stimulus and response, there is a space. Between the inhalation and exhalation, a reflective place, a stillness point of meditation, pausing us to take notice of what is happening in the present moment. In the present moment, you will find the unrecognized masses, social inequality around the planet, species on the verge of extinction run from raging wildfires, aquatic life dies when ocean temperatures are too hot to maintain life. Pause, fossil fuel burning, a break in the consumer economy, respite from the hostilities between nation states, stockpiling nuclear weapons to end our common fate. Halt, F-35s flying over American cities, sounds of science fiction war zones. Hiatus on drone warfare, shooting missiles at Kyiv and Moscow. Pause on the development of artificial general intelligence becoming indestructible Terminator machines. The clock of our extinction ticks, weapons of mass destruction engaged. The climate emergency is code red as glaciers recede and pathogenic viruses and bacteria are released. A pause in the insanity is the way to world peace.